6 smart ways to make money online in 2025. They say hard work always pays off, but if that were true, the hardest working people would be the richest. They're not. The truth is, making money isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And today, I'll show you 6 of the laziest ways to make money online that actually work. Not scams, not shortcuts, just smart, low-effort income streams that use your skills, your creativity, and a little bit of leverage. The truth about hard work. We've all been told the same story. Work hard, grind longer, stay consistent. But that mindset often traps you in an endless loop, busy but not free. The goal isn't to hustle forever. The goal is to find that sweet spot where your natural strengths, your curiosity, and real-world demand overlap. That's where money starts to feel effortless. So here are 6 low-effort, high-impact ways to build real income online without burning out. 1. Direct response copywriting. Words that sell. If you've ever clicked Buy Now or joined an email list, a copywriter made that happen. It's not fancy grammar, it's psychology, turning words into money. Businesses pay thousands because great copy drives sales. I've paid £5,000 for single projects myself. Start small. Learn persuasion. Write mock ads or landing pages. Reach out to businesses with free rewrites to show your skill. If your words convert, clients will chase you. 2. Video editing, the new gold rush. We're living in the age of video. Everyone, brands, creators, businesses, needs editors. And while AI helps, it still can't replace your creative eye, your sense of story, timing, and emotion. Start by editing short clips, reels, or explainer videos. Learn from free YouTube tutorials. Build a niche like finance edits, vlogs, or cinematic storytelling. The more you specialize, the higher you can charge. 3. Print on demand. Create once, earn repeatedly. Here's a lazy one, but clever. You design it once, the internet sells it forever. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tote bags. You don't touch stock, packing, or shipping. It's all automated. All you do is create the designs and market them. With tools like Build Your Store AI, you can have a store built, designed, and running in hours. No tech headache. That's creative income on autopilot. 4. Content creation, the new digital career. This isn't just for influencers. It's for anyone with a message. Whether you teach, motivate, review, or entertain, you can build an audience and get paid for it. You can earn from brand deals, digital products, sponsorships, or courses. It's not about being famous, it's about being valuable. Show up, be real, be consistent. The money follows the value. 5. Virtual assistant, paid to stay organized. If you're detail-oriented, this one's gold. Entrepreneurs and businesses will pay for someone to manage their chaos, emails, scheduling, messages, organization. Start as a general VA, then specialize. Project management, marketing, or client support. Once you niche down, your rates skyrocket. Agencies can even match you with clients directly. And yes, you can do this from anywhere. 6. Passive income, the lazy compounder. This is the money while you sleep part, but it's real. Dividend stocks, index funds, or ETFs can build long-term, hands-off income streams. Investing £1,000 in the S&P 500 index fund could earn £12 to £15 in annual dividends, but the real magic happens when you reinvest. That's compounding. Your money quietly building more money behind the scenes. Freedom isn't about working forever. It's about building systems that work for you. Final thoughts. The lazy truth about wealth. Lazy doesn't mean unmotivated. It means leveraged. You don't need to grind 16 hours a day to make it. You just need to think differently. Because in 2025, The new rich aren't the busiest people. They're the ones who understand how to use time, skills, and tools to build income that doesn't depend on effort.
If this message feels close to your heart, that's not a mistake. It's your inner voice telling you it's time for a change. Maybe you're tired of working hard and still feeling stuck. Tired of money coming in and going out with nothing left behind. The good news is you don't have to stay in that cycle. You don't need special skills. You don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or check the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?